This is lecture video for section 5.5, video 5. This one we're going to talking about some examples on simplifying expression. So first we're still going to quickly review the double angle identities. For the cosine of 2a we have three formulas, either cosine squared of a minus sine squared of a, or 1 minus 2 times of sine squared of a, or 2 times of cosine squared of a minus 1. Sine of 2a, we only have one formula, which is 2 times sine of a times cosine of a. Tangent of 2a, which is 2 times tangent of a over 1 minus tangent squared of a. So the example we have is, we want to simplify the expression. The first one is 2 times cosine squared of 5x minus 1. So for the first one, we want to simplify it. When we're looking at the 2 times cosine squared 5x minus 1, if we do not have the 5 here, if we just have the cosine squared x, this one is actually matching to one of the cosine formula. So this one will equals to cosine of 2x. But the only difference is before it was x, now is 5x. So that means the final answer we got is cosine of 10x. For the second one, B, we have sine of 165 degree times cosine of 165 degree. If we have a 2 in front of the sine of 165 times cosine of 165, what we will get is going to be the sine of 2 times the 165 degree. Since we do not have the 2, that means we're going to divide it by 2 for the sine of 2 times 165 degree. So together we got sine of 165 times 2, which is 330 degree over 2. Simplify it. So sine of 330, which is negative 1/2, divided by 2, which is negative 1/4.